desert. It feels like I'm going to burn. The thirst is always increasing. The more I walk, the more I die. I hope I find a spring with the cleanest water in the world. I don't want to die of thirst. We always expect the worst. As I walk along, I ask myself, does it rain in this desert? It all seems so uncertain, but I still want to see what will happen. Is there rain in this desert? Oh, oh, oh. Easy things, everything that comes easy also goes. But we also don't want to face something long, because on the journey there is always uncertainty. So much indecision, what a situation. We always expect the worst. As I walk along, I ask myself, does it rain in this desert? It all seems so uncertain, but I still want to see what will happen. Is there rain in this desert? Oh, oh, oh. Maybe I'll see in December what I didn't see in June, or I simply won't remember what I went through to get there. Or maybe I won't get there, but I'd like to get there. And still I think, let's go. As I walk along,